Have you ever wondered how developers write and design software efficiently? In this video, I will introduce you to two essential tools that I personally use: Visual Studio Code and Figma. These tools make programming and UI UX design more efficient and accessible. So get your laptops ready and let's get started. First tool that I use is Visual Studio Code. It's one of the best code editor out there. So what we're gonna have to do is we're going to open a folder. So we can see an open icon here, and then go to the documents because that's where we want to create our project. Then getting started folder or any folder that you want. Then now we can see our getting started folder or the folder that you chose. So we can see there's a lot of icons here. So it has a lot of purpose. So we will get started with the left icons here. First icon is our folders and files, so we can open it. Then second folder, we have the magnifying glass, so that's the search bar. And then source control, that's for GitHub, so that's a bit complicated. Then run and debug, that's for running and debugging your code. Then extensions like the libraries. We also have here our accounts, and we can also use our setting. So let's open a new file. So once we open a new file, a coding space will show up. So for example, we will type console log. So that's a JavaScript language. So VS Code is very smart. So once you write console log, it will automatically detect that it's a JavaScript language that you are using. So once it detects, it will give you some recommendations like typing CON. You can see it recommends confirm, console con. So that's how smart Visual Studio Code is, and it's very helpful for beginners. So let's move on to Figma, one of the best tools to illustrate your projects. So here we have for the arrow, making drawings or shapes, then sharing your illustration with others. Then we also have these pages here, and then we also have some contents here and changing your settings. Then here are shortcuts and making a faster way of creating a illustration. As you can see, when you press F, it will create an illustration here. And then we also have the R in here and R shift to make it even in all both sides. If you're not really into making shapes of your own, you can always search here in the plugins some icons that you want. So that's all, and I hope you learned something. My name is Shaina Merjo Garciso, and thank you so much for listening.